Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm just gonna start a project and show you how it works. I mean, I'm still very new to this, but I just figured I'd show a video of what I know so far. So if you just go to just Google ODM sample data sets, I think something should show up. So yep, so this Brighton Beach, if you click on this one, this is a pretty small data set, so I'm just going to download this. Just download a zip of it, and this shouldn't take too long to download. And these are the images we're going to use to process and make an ortho mosaic out of. Don't know how big this is exactly, but it can't be too big. I never know whether I should stop the video or just continue. I don't think this is going to take much longer, so I'm just going to hold on. Alright, finished, so let's go look at it in it's in my downloads folder. So let's just do it this way, show in folder, and I'm going to extract it all. Alright, so these are the images I'm going to use to upload to WebODM. So this was their sample, but we want to go to our actual EC2 instance that's running WebODM. And I'm just going to add a project and say sample, or just call it small data set test, and select the images. So I'm going to go to where they were in downloads, and just select them. Now for now, I'm going to do this fast ortho photo. So this just produces the stuff faster. It's a more coarse product, but this is all the stuff that I still need to learn exactly what it is. And I think they have a manual or a guide that you can buy, and they go into a lot of detail about all this. But for now, I'm just going to do fast ortho photo and let it resize the images, and just click review, and then start processing. And you'll see it's uploading it, so it's uploading it to our EC2 instance right now. It's very fast, and it's already started, so you can view what's going on if you click the task output. I think it's going to resize images first, and here you go. Now you have it doing something. So if we go back to our EC2 instance, I'm going to just duplicate this session and log in. And I just want to watch the processes. So I use this thing called htop to view what's going on. So you'll see there's a lot of Python processes going on right now, and it's doing a lot of stuff on the instance. So this is what I was messing around with, different instance sizes and larger data sets. I have run out of RAM with 16 gigs. I've gone up to 32 and then 64. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think this might take a few minutes, so I'm going to stop the video now and then just join it together. Once this finishes, I'll pick back up. All right. All right, guys. It's already finished, so you see it is completed. It took 2 minutes and 57 seconds, so that was very fast. So I'm going to download the assets. For now, I'm just going to download this ortho photo, and then we're going to take a look at it in something called QGIS. It's a free GIS software. So you might have heard of Esri's ArcMap. This is just a free version alternative called QGIS, which I've used in the past. It's pretty cool. So it already downloaded. Um, let's see, where did it go? Should be able to. So it's right there. So I'm just going to drag it in. Actually, I don't think that's the same. That might be a one that I did earlier. Um, Maybe, I guess that is it. I thought it was a different data set. Guess not. Actually, yeah, it's not, because if you look at these pictures, that's pretty much what it looks like. All right, so QGIS downloads. I'm just gonna drag it in, and there it is. So very impressive. If we zoom in, we can look at the ground sample distance. So if we go to this measure tool here and put it in centimeters, so this is basically 5 centimeter ground sample distance. So this means every pixel here represents 5 centimeters on the actual ground in the earth. So you can get this, if we did the high resolution version, we could get better resolution. I think 2 centimeter we can get. But yeah, I mean, super quick, and this is useful for just seeing what it would look like. How do you get out of this thing? Just a preview of what it looks like. And that's about it. I've been super impressed with the software, and I just wanted to make a video on my experience with it. And I think once I get my drone in the next few weeks, I'm going to start collecting my own data, and I can make some more videos about anything along the way that I learn, anything useful. But yeah, I just wanted to say how awesome I think the software is, and thanks to the guys that produce it. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just wanted to remind you to just be aware that your instance is still running, and if you want to stop it, just go to instance state and then stop. And that's what I'm going to do, because I don't need this anymore. So this was a T2X large. So if we just Google T2X large, we can see how much it costs. And I think I've had it up for maybe 30 minutes. So what was it called actually? T2X large. So it's this much per hour. So not very expensive. But if you forget about it and leave it on for weeks, it's going to cost some money. So just wanted to make sure you guys are aware of that, and to be sure to stop it. All right, see ya.